Please be reminded, walang aero pools mamaya ha. Okay, just lang, mabagal lang po yan. Sundan lang po natin ang placing ng ating motor marshal. And paring Ben?
16 years old category only.
Finishers medal, kahit na nag-overlap kayo. Pero kung na-overlap na kayo and you do not hit the warning of the marshals, we will not give you your finishers medal. So kung na-overlap na, go to the side, walk kayo para hindi kayo mailo. Kasi hindi pwede kung basta gamitin, ha? Okay, good luck guys. Keep safe.
Okay, there you go. So checking in na, make sure na meron na po kay RFID. 24 minutes and 29.6 seconds. And Mr. Astin Awingan, the champion, 24.27.5. Third placing. Uncle Bombot. Make way para po sa ating cyclist. Giled. Yes, sir. Here comes our last three. Congratulations.